Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Crafttube Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today I've got a little video to show you something that I've been working on over the last couple of days. That was a little project I'm making for Corrine. So I'm going to have lunch with her today, which is Thursday the 31st. Before I start work, so I thought I'd make a little gift to give her. So that's Corrine from To Be Loved Treasures by Corrine. So I thought I'd make a little something for her, and I thought I'd show you. I haven't filmed any of the making process, but I thought I would show you what I've made and then add the last little piece. So I'll move that out of the way. Right, so I've made an envelope, a slimline envelope, and that's the print on the cardstock. And inside, so I've made a card. I haven't written in it yet, so that's the card there. I will do that in a moment. But what I made for her was a bookmark. So I cross-stitched the C, and then I've added some little lace bits, and I've done a whole lot of seed stitch up and around the rows. I've added a little bit of lace, some beads, and I've backed it with a bit of felt and some blanket stitch. So, and a little bulb pin up in the corner. So that's my little bookmark that I've made for her. But then what I thought I could do to finish the envelope was make a wax seal. So I thought I'd do that with you today. So in my little tin is all my bits. So, what's that one? That's a T. That's a tree. These are some that I was messing around with when I first got it. So I need that. And that's my little thingy-my-bob. I don't know what to... There's a heart. What else have we got in here? I've got a flower. Oh, I might do that butterfly. Let's do the butterfly. Now I got a washer, thinking that if I wanted a perfect circle wax seal, I could use a washer. What colour? Okay. Right, let's put that back in there. Now, which hand would I think it goes on? This one here. Put those in there. Move that out the way. I'm going to need that little mat. Swap this out. Okay. Now, I think I'm going to do that baby pink. That can go on there. Let's get some of these. Yes, so I'm glad I've got all that finished, and it's just a little something. 2, 4, 5, 6 should be enough. 6, maybe 7. Just to say, you know, it's just what crafters do. So let's put those away so they don't go everywhere. Don't need that, don't need that. Put those up there. Bring that in here. That's what I'm going to do it with. I need to light that. Okay. And then that can go over the top of there, and we'll just melt those little wax seals and make a little butterfly. Okay, I think that's ready. It's like marshmallow. Okay, I'll put that over there. I'll clean that up in a minute. Bring that up in there. And then we will pour that onto there. And then, don't suppose it matters what way that goes. That goes on top like that. So let's blow this out. And let that set. So, let me just clean this up. Let that wax come off there. Okay, that's that done. Right, let that set. And then, after I've written in the card, I can stick it on and it's done. Now, I don't know if that's... yeah, it's ready. And there we go. Let's move that out of the way. Don't know if you can see that. There we go. That's that. And I do have, move that out of the way. What you can do is, see on this one I've gone over with a gold pen. You can highlight bits of the image, but I don't think I will. I think I'll leave it at that. But I'm going to write in the card now and attach the wax seal, and then my little gift is all ready to go this afternoon. So I hope you enjoyed that little video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.